Nested within the world of gastronomy, excites a prized ingredient that transcends tasted and tradition. The word nest refers for its exquisite flavor, profit, cultural significance, and purported healthy benefits. This delicacy remains a subject of fascination and intrigue, exploring the bird nest delicious unveils of a journey through its organs, harvesting methods, culinary applications, and healthy properties, delving into a world where trading meets culinary excellence. Step 1. Organic and type of birds' nets. Birds' nets aren't your conventional colonies ingredient. They are a composed of swiftlets, silver, muscular cartridges into nets in crepes, caves, or man-made structure. These nets come in various types, categorized based on their color, texture, and place of origin such as white nets, red nets, and black nets, each prized for distinct qualities. Harvesting and collection methods. Harvesting methods, the birds nets and a labor intensive process that requires skilled harvesters to carefully extend the nests without causing harm to the swiftlets or the environment. Traditional methods involve clumping precarious hides to collect that nets, while modern techniques often include specialized equipment to ensure both efficiency and sustainability. Step 3. Culinary applications and preparation. Renowned for its
ইনফার্টাইল এগ আপনার পাখি
texture
ডিম পাড়ে এবং এই ডিম
subtle
পাড়ার
flavor,
পরে আপনার পাখি
birds has
প্রপারভাবে
find
তা
its
দিচ্ছে কিনা
way
বা সেখান থেকে
into
প্রপারভাবে
various
বাচ্চা বেরোচ্ছে
culinary
কিনা এটা
creations.
আমরা অনেক বেশি
From
excited
soups
থাকি।
and
এজন্য
desserts
আমরা
to beverages
পাখির
and
বাচ্চার কাছ থেকে
savour
কিংবা
dishes,
পাখির কাছ
its
থেকে আমরা
variety
পর্যাপ্ত পরিমাণে
allows
সেই
chefs to
আশা না পেয়ে হতাশাই হই।
showcase its unique characteristics. Preparations involves meticulous cleaning and soaking to soften the nest before incorporating them into dishes, allowing the delicate flavor to shine. Cultural significance and traditions. Across Southeast Asia, particularly in countries like China and Malaysia, bird nets holds significant cultural value, often reserved for special occasions and estimate gates is symbolize wealth, properties, and feel nearly pretty. Its preference and celebrations, feasts and ceremonies underscore its cultural significance and long-standing tradition. Health. Step 5. Health benefits and natural value. Beyond its cultural allowed, bird nest is believed to offer an plethora of health benefits. Rich in protein, amino acids, and minerals, it is lauded for promoting skin health, aiding digestion, and boosting immunity. While significant evidence supporting these claims is ongoing, its natural Nutritional values remains a subject of interest among health enthusiasts. I know you are understand. Please like my channel and comment below.